Yeah, what up guys, it's your number one channel, EMMY'S house. I just got something this evening when I was scalping the market, and I observed something and I decided to share it with you guys. Now what did I observe? This is this is a yearly time frame for Bitcoin, and I told you whenever you want to take a trade on the market, always switch to the higher time frame. From the higher time frame, you already know the overall trend of the market. So whenever you're trading, if the market is bullish, you know the overall trend and market is bullish. What do? You look for. If the market is bearish, you know the market is bearish. What do? You look for a sell. So currently right now, I think we're fucking bearish. Like I said in my previous video, we are actually bearish. So right now we are on a monthly time frame, and you can see, I think this is for November last year, this is for December, and this is for January, and this is for February, and now we are in March. So this candlestick represents just 1 month. Now what did I see? So I actually went over to the 1 week time frame and I got this setup. Let me delete this so you can see what I got. I got this setup. Now what is this setup? This is M pattern that has been broken. I think if I have to take this trade, I should look for a retest. Yeah, this is an M pattern that has been formed in a weekly time frame. I can't lie, I think I expect to see Bitcoin drop really hard this time if it's going to fall. I think Bitcoin is going to fall if it's going to fall very hard. So all I then do was to now map out this area as my resistance. So what am I actually looking for in this market? Since we have gotten this, I think we are looking for something like this, which the market might not do it. But in my opinion, I look for a trade when I see this pattern is being formed just like this. I'm looking for a retracement to test this support that became resistance, and then look for entries, and then wait for a drop down. Okay, hold on, I'm going to make you understand. I think I drew it in the wrong place. Let me just try and draw this top so you know what I'm talking about. So first thing first, when I see a pattern is being formed like this, like the M pattern is being formed, and I see a leg draw like this is a weekly time frame we're talking about. I mean, you know, the higher the time frame you see on your strategy, the more better it is. Yeah. So now this is our support that is being broken, and now it's now become resistance. Why? Because we are expecting the market to dance back to this area. So we are expecting something like this. So now from this area, we're expecting the market now to bounce back and do a retest to this distance, and then we are at the goal. So we should see the market creating a lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and that is just it. So this is what I expect this market to do on a weekly time frame. But going over to the daily time frame, you already see we've been bearish, though the market has really been bearish. This opportunity we missed on this trade. I think I missed this setup. I would have entered for a sell if I have caught in this trade early. See, don't play with other block gap. Like this actually tested this zone. You can see it tested this zone, got into this zone, and there were a lot of sellers on this zone. This was a good setup. Like taking this here, putting your stop loss above this area, you would have gotten this trade and then just sell the market from, I think, from around 94 to this current price Bitcoin is. I mean, this is a very good setup. But nevertheless, you're not losing out. If you are following me, you can see that we are expecting the market to retrace back to this right on a weekly time frame. But if you're scalping, you can always scalp the market. I'm talking about some trading, long time holders. You can actually work with this stuff. So I saw this and I decided to let me just drop him on my channel. So when you come across this video, You just want to keep monitoring this market and knowing for the right time to strike, because Bitcoin is actually bearish. But anything can happen. News can happen. Fundamentals is the reason why you must do your own research. Do your own research before you go into any trade. I'm not a financial expert. This is just my own opinion on the market. Don't forget, it's your #1 channel, EMMY'S. So in case you're wondering how will you enter for a set on this trade, it is very easy. When you see a retest, you are just to switch to the lower time frame, probably 4 hours time frame, because we're coming from the weekly time frame. 4 hours time frame should be our best bet for this trade. Okay, take for instance, if I'm going to enter this trade from here, which I think I can take this trade, we swept liquidity. Yeah, we've swept liquidity in this way, and market broke to the downside, leaving this 4 hours fair value gap. Oh, I just got this trade. I think I might take this trade. Now, leaving this 4 hours fair value gap that has never been mitigated. Yes, this is a good fair value gap. And then we have another block that broke this market. So if I'm to go for a buy, should I for 2 hours to confirm if there's any other complaints? No, but the lower time frame show it has been mitigated. But I always want to go with what I see on the 4 hours time frame. This is what I see. Now let's switch to the 1 hour time frame to see if there's any other complaints. Okay. So we are expecting the market, which I think it already did. It has already actually tapped this zone. I was going to say from here to this part. The reason why you see you always when you see a setup, you always want to work with all your time frames. You can leave a comment under this video if you need me to talk about time frames. I can teach you that if you don't know about it. So now you can see that the market already tapped into this zone, and we are expecting this market now to drop. Man, I think I missed this trade. I actually did miss this trade. The market is actually following the structure. Market structure is very good. Like, the structure of the market is very, very good, and it's been respecting the market. This was a very valid gap, and he respected it. These are 3 soldiers, and he respected it. So I think the market is going to fall very bad. The car is going to the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and then the monthly time frame says it all. But nevertheless, I expect the market to fall. But where will it fall to? We're expecting the market probably to drop to now Bitcoin never coming to 49. But my own research, I think if this market is even going to fall, I can tell you that this market won't fall below 69k. Not now, I'm just saying won't go below 69k. Yep. If you're a trader, you know why I say so. So I think it won't go below 69k, and from here I think Bitcoin will do more than 100k plus. You just have to get it at the back of your mind. So it's the #1 channel, EMMY'S. This is my Bitcoin analysis for today, being March 2025. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on my next video. God bless.